Today we're here looking at one of our most popular landscape models, our 16-foot 7,000 GVWR deluxe package. This model's set up with two 3,500-pound axles, which gets you to that 7,000 GVWR. So we build this trailer at 14 flat, 2-foot dove, and then you've got the gate. Makes for a nice loading angle, and you've got a full 82 inches in between the fenders on this. You've got heavy-duty side steps built into the front and back of each fender. We used a tube steel tailboard with rubber mounted LED lights recessed into it. So this trailer has a 3x3x3/16 angle iron frame under it. And then we top that off with a 2.5 square tube top rail that helps stiffen up the frame, keeps those welds lasting a long time for you. On this trailer, we also add in a sealed wiring harness. This is gonna get your wiring completely sealed from end to end and no worries about water permeation. Another feature of this gate is we have a release on the back. You can always release that gate, drop it down into the trailer. In the back, we top it all off with a 2-foot dovetail and a spring-motivated gate. And this is absolutely perfect for your zero-turn mowers, or even if you want to take the side-by-sides up to the mountains for the weekend. And just remember, at Kaufman Trailers, whatever you're hauling, we've got the trailer for it. Pick up factory direct or let us arrange for nationwide shipping for you.